Is your business still using Windows 10? On October 14th, it reaches its end of life, meaning you'll no longer get free support. This means no more security updates, no bug fixes, and no help from Microsoft if something goes wrong. Using an unsupported version of Windows is a huge risk to take. Outdated software is a goldmine for cybercriminals, and it can leave your business data exposed to threats you won't even see coming. The good news is you have options. If your devices support Windows 11, you can upgrade now for free. You'll get better security, a boost in performance, and productivity tools to make life easier. Or you can keep Windows 10 and pay for extended security updates. October's closer than you think. Please don't leave it till the last minute. Start planning now to avoid disruption. If you need help figuring out the best option for you, get in touch. We can make it stress-free.